In the field of data science and analytics, everything is all about statistics and mathematics. And when it comes to stats and maths, many people are confused where to get started with their learning process. Even if they know where to get started, they are confused what to get started with, what are the topics important for data science and analytics, and what are the Python applications of it. Well, there are various blogs, various YouTube videos which talks about the theoretical concepts. Now, we know that what is mean, what is mode, and what is median. Or else, we know what is hypothesis testing, or we know what is skewness and kurtosis. But people don't know what are the practical applications of it. Well, after the theoretical concepts are over, how do we apply it in real life industries? That is one of the reasons I have come across this particular playlist, which I have made public on my channel. It's going to be on business statistics, where I shall be talking about various business statistics topics and how we can implement those things in Python. Well, there are already 4 to 5 videos on my channel in this particular playlist, and I'm going to complete the playlist in next couple of weeks. This is one of the introductory videos where I will be introducing about the course. In this course, we will be talking about various statistical topics. However, in this video, it's going to be pure theoretical, but there are other videos in the channel, in the playlist, and there are various other videos which are planned to be released in couple of days or couple of weeks, and you can have an end-to-end understanding of statistics, mathematics, and how to apply them using Python. Well, let's get started. My name is Satyajit Pattnaik. In this video, I shall be talking about the basics of statistics, and I'll also be talking about what is mean, median, and mode. Let's get started. Welcome to the world of statistics. In this video, we will define the term statistics and data. We'll also define the concepts of mean, median, and mode. Compare and contrast qualitative data with quantitative data. However, I already have a video on mean, median, and mode, but again, as I'm introducing this course, I have to talk on the basics, and I didn't wanted the video to be just of 2-3 minutes, and that is the reason I thought let's try to talk about mean, median, and mode again. Okay, so what is your understanding of the word statistics? Statistics is nothing but this is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. Data science is just the new word, that's it. In backend, it's all statistics. Statistics helps in gathering information, understanding patterns, and making inferences about the world around us. What is data? Now, data. Everybody is talking about data. And there are so many job opportunities these days in the field of data, data science, data engineering, database, data warehousing, data analytics. Everybody is talking about data. But what is data? Data refers to any facts or figures that are collated with the intention of being presented, interpreted, and analyzed. Okay, what are the different types of data? There are 2 types of data. One is qualitative data and one is quantitative data. What is qualitative? Data that describes the characteristics or qualities, usually deals with languages. And what is quantitative data? Data that is quantified or measured, usually deals with numbers. Statistical analysis is nothing but it's a specific method for analyzing qualitative and quantitative research data. In statistics, it is important to find the mean, median, and mode. When you get started with the field of statistics, the first thing anybody would learn is mean, median, and mode. This is something like ABC of alphabets. Simple. What is mean, median, and mode in a nutshell? Mean is simply the average of the data set. Statisticians like to call average as mean. To be very honest, they get annoyed if you tell that, hey, the average of the data is this. No, mean is the word statisticians use. So mean is nothing but average of the data. Median is normally the middle point of the data. the middle value in a set of data. Like 3, 4, 5, the median is 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, the median is 4 and 5. So you take an average of it, the median becomes 4.5. Mode is the most common number in the set of a data. For example, if you have a column called as gender, where you have 6 females and 4 males, the mode of that column will be female, because female is majority. They have 60% of the data and males are just 4 records. So F is going to be the mode there. And we usually use mean, median and mode in various null value imputation when it comes to data, because sometimes your data could have missing values. How can we deal with missing values? Do we have to drop it, or do we have to fill it with mean, median or mode? It all depends upon the type of data. For example, there are 4 boys in a 9th grade class and they look like this. Find the mean, median and mode of using this set of data. So boys, Mr. Luke, 176 centimeters. Well, even I'm not 176. Well, it's all about examples. Mike is 178. Ian is 178 as well, and Connor is 189 centimeters. Formula for finding the mean is super simple. Mean is nothing but sum of observations divided by total number of observations. In this case, the mean value is going to be 176 plus 178 plus 178 plus 189 divided by 4. To find the mean, add all the values in the data set, divide by the number of values in the set. So in this case, I have already shown it. The total sum is 721 divided by 4 is 180.25. The mean here is 180.25 centimeters. Formula for finding the mode. Mode equals to L plus H, Fm minus F1 divided by Fm minus F1 plus Fm minus F2. Little bit complex, but trust me, it's super simple. Where L is your lower limit of the modal class, H is size of the class interval, Fm is frequency of the modal class, F1 is frequency of the class preceding the modal class, F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. To find the mode, arrange all these numbers in ascending order. So normally we don't use mode in terms of numerical data, but however you can also calculate mode for numerical data. Normally mode is used for categorical data, but as we are talking about examples, how do we find mode of these 4 numbers? Arrange all the numbers in ascending order, and then the number that appears most often is referred to as the node. In this case, 176, 178, 178, 189. It is easy to see that the mode is 181, as it is the only one that occurs twice. Sorry, I think there is a mistake here. Let me just edit it. 178. Okay. So as 178 is repeated twice, that becomes the mode. Similarly, when I talked about categorical data, we have 10 records, 6 females and 4 males. What will be the mode? The mode will be females, as they are more in number. Okay. Similar to that, we can also use mode for numerical data as well, but it is not recommended. What is median? Very simple. If you have 4 numbers or 10 numbers, just sort it out and find the middle element. That's it. So if n is odd, your median is n plus 1 by 2 th term, which means if you have 5 numbers or 3 numbers, 1, 11, 3. What is your middle term? It's going to be 3. Your median becomes 3. You have to first sort it out. 1, 11, 3. Once you sort it out, it will be 1, 3 and 11. The middle element is 3, so your median becomes 3. If you have 1, 11, 3, 6, then once you sort it out, it will be 1, 3, 6, 11. 3 plus 6, 3 and 6 are the middle elements. 3 plus 6 divided by 2, which is nothing but 9 by 2, which is 4.5. That becomes the median. In this example, the median becomes 178 because it is the middle element, right? There are two middle elements, 178 and 178. You add it, divide it by 2, it's going to be the same, 178. Here's an easy way to remember. The mean is the average. The median is the middle. The mode shows up the most. Simple thing. In the next video, we will try to apply these concepts to more complex problems, which basically means I will help you out in understanding how can we do the imputation, or what are the real life examples where we use mean, median and mode.